Hello everyone, welcome to an academy. Let's crack it. Yes, see only 6 months remaining for UPSC CSE 2021 prelims. So it's on June 27th, your preliminary examination. Next preliminary examination has been scheduled. Fine. So in this 6 months, how can I prepare? What is the way to prepare? See, in this 6 months, you are going to have a very beautiful batch which has been started. It starts on 28th December. So you have ultimate GS 6 months batch course for prelims 2021, and you also have mission 2021 6 months batch course for UPSC CSE prelims. Okay, so what will happen in this? You will have a prelim syllabus coverage. For prelims, what should be your syllabus? The coverage will be done, and that is done by the top educators. Okay, so and then you also have a prelims test series with analysis. So in one of my classes, I told you without practice, whatever you study will not be helpful in your examination. So this complete packed 6 months will be, for prelims test series analysis and your test complete preliminary preparation process. You will also get PDF study material and dedicated doubt clearing sessions, and interview preparation process is also given in this. Fine. And prelims comes mains. So this batch, 6 months batches for prelims, since it is on 27th of June, completely it is dedicated for prelims alone. This prelims cum mains integrated complete batch is also starting on 28th December. So what you will get in this batch is that it's an 1 year batch, ultimate 1 year batch and ultimate 2 year batch. So in this, you are going to prepare for 2022, which is 1 year batch, and 2023, which is 2 year batch. Here also you have the top educators who are going to help you. You have a full syllabus coverage. You are having prelims test series with analysis. Again, your PDF study materials, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, and interview preparation process also. Yes, you have it in Hindi, complete Hindi. Okay, UPSC, CSE, GS, completely Hindi. Also, you also have an English batch. When this is complete Hindi batch, you have an English batch. So in this, what are all the variants you have? Expedition 2021, which is a 6 months course. Expedition 2022, which is an 1 year course. 2023 is a 2 year course. Like you are finishing, you're in the final year in your UG or PG, you're in the final year. So what you want to do is you are thinking that, okay, I'll start my preparation now. So this year and the next year, I'll completely give it for the preparation, so that I will give my first attempt, in which I will crack my first attempt, in the first hit itself. Then you can go for all these kind of batches. So in this complete English batch is starting on 28th December. So I'm repeating, you are having a 6 month batch, complete English batch, complete Hindi batch, and then you have 1 year batch and 2 years batch. So 1 year batch is targeted to prelims 2022, and 2 year batch is targeted to 2023 UPSC CSE. In this, you get full coverage, top educators, prelims test analysis with, series with analysis, PDF study material, doubt clearing sessions, and interview preparation. So there is going to be an iconic price hike very soon. So I'm telling you again, guys, please don't keep thinking like, should I spend this money? Should I spend this money? See, this money is a very important necessity here, because self discipline is very important. That is really, really tough. So don't force yourself into things. Instead, you come for iconic, where you have a personal mentor who will guide you, who will encourage you, push you forward in your preparation process. So the price hike is going to come very soon. I'm telling you again. I'm you can take it like a friendly reminder. Don't spend extra money, but now if you are spending the money now, you are time saving and also money saving. So an iconic subscription, what all you get? You are connecting with a personal coach. There will be one person always, near you, telling you what to do next, what to do, what is correct, all these things. And you have mains test series with evaluation. So whatever you see, prelims test series come with your batch, but mains test series with evaluation if you want, because the examination is not just prelims. Many people commit a mistake of just preparing for prelims, and finally, when they are coming to mains, they are actually struggling a lot. Sometimes they are not even able to clear. Instead, your preparation should start with prelims and mains parallelly. and customize your study planner. Study booster sessions are available. Sometime you might feel very low. That time it will help you. High intensity workshops are available. Practice answer writing daily, which is what I'm telling you again and again, was very, very important. Minimum of 2 questions from optionals and 2 questions from GS daily you should be writing from today. If you're starting a preparation today, from today you're going to do that. Some people will tell I haven't prepared. No, study and write. That's your work. That is already available in Iconic, which you will not feel that you have to force yourself, which comes along with your preparation process. Accelerate your preparation with daily content. So you upgrade today, don't waste time. You have to pay more if you're wasting time. But today, if you do, you can get the subscription in a lesser price. Get subscription now. Use my code SUBA. So this is my code SUBA. Subha. I am Subha Kirtana. You all know me very well. The first half of my name is the code. You will get a 10% of offer. Along with that, you also have a no cost EMI, so that if you feel like I cannot pay it in at a stretch, you can pay it using the no cost EMI also. Okay, so get the subscription. That too, if you get the Iconic plan, your preparation will be, very, very well planned and, strategic, so that you clear your examination. Just like that, you get your service and you can help people. Yes. So thank you so much, guys. So meet you all again. So today I have discussed in my one of my videos also about the strategy. In that strategy, you could have understood how much the subscription will be helpful to you. Okay, go to that strategy and come to this, so that again you will understand how the subscription will help you. These batches are really helpful. This starts on 28th December. So thank you so much. All the best, guys. See you all in my upcoming classes. Have a nice day. Thank you.